Hello, Alla, and welcome to the Nordic Data Science and Machine Learning Summit. It's a pleasure. It's an honor having you with us today.
Thank you.
Before we dive into further questions, can you please tell us more about your background and your area of expertise?
Well, I come from physics background. I have PhD in physics and mathematics from Moscow State University.
Great.
And I started to be interested in machine learning when I was at my master thesis. And then I come here to Norway to do my postdoc, and there I started machine learning in full production.
Alla, you just delivered a speech, and we want to congratulate you on the great speech that you just gave about big data and machine learning for production optimization, from planning phase to day-to-day operations. Can you do a short recap, a summary for our viewers?
Thank you. I was coming here to share my own experience, how it is to have your machine learning algorithm implemented in a real business case to the real end users, and what results and what lessons have been learned as a scientist serving the real world, which is not so often, honestly, not so often happens. You always live with your academic environment, and coming down to the earth and serving industry is very interesting and very unique experience.
Mm-hmm. Great. So I so much hyped these days. And the theme of the day is actually from data first to I first. Can you please share with us your opinion about the maturity of I so far, and what does it actually mean for companies? I first.
My opinion on maturity, I think we're just scratching the surface. It's much more than we can see right now, and it's not only an iceberg and we see the top of it. No, we just see very much of the surface of what can be done. Everyone is talking about digitalization and how nice and how productive it can be. How can it improve our everyday life? And I do believe that AI is leading us towards there. I, by the way, don't have any fears about it, because a machine is doing only what you say machine to do, even evolving and smart machine. So I think it's very nice and very important for industry to go for that and just explore a lot of opportunities, what they can do, how can they improve their business with AI.
So can we differentiate between these three heights? Data science, I, and adding to that context, machine learning.
Well, machine learning is a tool or toolbox. You're using it for something. Data science is exactly tell us how you use these tools, which tools are most useful in a particular situation, and if no tools are useful, what can you do, how you combine tools to go somewhere. And AI is in this way really cover for data science something that you really implement, that you have as from AI you really will have the outcome or the business cases really released and implemented.
Right. Last year during the Data Innovation Summit, there was a discussion about the fact that data scientists are actually creating machine learning algorithms to replace themselves.
We would love to.
What is your comment on this?
Yes, we were recently talking to our accountant that we can create two artificial human. One will substitute our accountant, one is me. We still have soul. No, really, I don't think anything will replace the human, because ability or creativity in our understanding and feelings of empathy and understanding is still belongs to human. It's not belongs to the machine.
Exactly. So, machine learning, data science, what can we expect in the nearest future?
Yeah, as a data scientist, I have to predict, right? Predictive modeling in action. I would love to see that, first of all, the fear of AI being spread around is gone. People not saying some scary stories about how AI is taking power over the human being, but actually making it more and more useful for human and It's much easier to live if you know what will happen, for example, in everyday life, what will be the weather completely. I'm from Norway, it's a rough sea, for example. Skippers will appreciate the good prediction and the good maintenance of the ships, etc., etc. I see AI to be more and more involved in decision making, especially on extreme situation, on awareness, on all these things.
Great. Alla, it was a pleasure having you with us today. Thank you very much for your presence.
Thank you.